So today I want to discuss about the green fodder production through hydroponic technology, how it works and what are the advantage of this technology. So we have given this unit to Mr. Arvind Bhaskar Rao Bigudi, and we have done first preliminary survey, and after that we have explained him all the methodology and procedure how to cultivate it. So the procedure for the green fodder production by this machine is that first step is that we have to select the healthy crop seed. After that we have to be clean and wash those seed material, and we have to be soak overnight, and the next day we have to remove the excess water from the tub, and that seed material we have to again keep in the gunny bag and a cloth bag for overnight, and by 2 hour intervals we have to be give the spray of the water. So this procedure will take nearly 24 hours. By the time little bit sprouting is there within the gunny bag or that cloth bag, after that we have to be remove the material, the seed material from there, and we are putting in the tray according to our need. So we have tried here half kg or 1 kg combination. By that initially 3 days we are keeping those trays into the lower section of the machine. So this section up to 3 racks we are considered as a sprouting cycle, and to complete these 3 racks it is needed near 3 to 5 days. And day by day while the sprouting height is coming, then we have to change the section, and by the 6th day our tray will reach to the middle portion of the machine. So this middle portion we are considering as a tray rotation. So tray rotation we are doing with the 6th or 7th day. Why we are doing the tray rotation within the machine? Because while the here sprinkler system is there, so one side our tray is receiving more water, so growth is not in uniform fashion. So to get the uniform growth we have to do the tray rotation, and after that by 8th day and 10th day when our tray will reaching to the upper section of the machine, so that we call as a harvesting. So by the time to complete one cycle by this machine we need at least 10 to 12 days, and we are getting by 1 kg maize while we are putting the 1 kg seed, so we are getting 10 to 12 kg average green fodder by this. While harvesting, so for immediately we are not feeding to the animal because it is the closed system. Due to closed system the respiration transpiration process is there, so some smell is there within the green fodder. So while taking the green fodder to out of the machine, so we have to keep it and give the small spray of the water. By 2 to 3 hours after that we have to be feed this green fodder to the livestock, either it may be cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, chickens, rabbits, everything. We have done the platilivity trials for this. So the benefit of this technology is that first of all we need here land requirement is less, and water requirement also less, and labor requirement also less, because while we are doing the conventional method green fodder production, then it will take more than 60 to 70 days in the field, and 5 to 6 irrigation is needed there, labor cost is there, and all the critical inputs for the agriculture, those are the seed, fertilizer, all the things is more in the conventional method. But here we are doing the cultivation by the eco-friendly, just we are spreading the seed over the tray and we are getting the good quality fodder. And this fodder while we are feeding to animals, so it will entire mat will go to the livestock. It will considering your root, intact seed, stem and the leaves. So by feeding this green fodder we are getting higher side milk, and milk composition also changing there, and the young ones those are eating it, their body weight and all the activity is higher side, and the livestock is facing the some stress, that stress is not there. So farmers are getting very good benefit, and there is no much inputs is needed, just electricity consumption is there, so that is also in very minimal way. So this is the overall about the green fodder production through hydroponic technology. Apart from that also we can do the some leafy vegetable production by this machine. Palak, methi and coriander also can be produced. So that will give the additional benefit to the farmers. So we have demonstrated in Hyderabad, Karnataka region, Kalyan Karnataka region, in cluster based more than 38 farmers, and cluster based more than 600 farmers. We have given the demonstration about this technology. Thank you.